Today is not cooperating. It's supposed to storm, so I don't really want to try to tackle the transmission. It's just going to be like several hours, and I'd hate for it to just start raining in the middle of it. So we're going to try to fix a whole bunch of other little stuff that's been a problem. So I'm going to swap, got a door, I'm going to swap that out because it's got a big dent. So got to fix that and some other small things. So hope you enjoy. Well, I had to fix something. When they pulled this off the other one, they didn't know how to take it out, so I have to swap that out. We got doors. So, yeah, this one's got a little bit of damage to it, but it has a dent in it like the other one did. So, that one's got a big ass dent. Problem number 2 is the driver door doesn't have a door arrestor. I have one. Trucks helps like stop the door from going too far, and that is missing from right there. So that makes the door work a little better. I ended up doing a couple other things. I thought the camera was rolling, but it wasn't. I ended up popping in. Picked up this on Marketplace, a nice little cover, and then the other day I put the wheel in. I bought a short hub adapter, and it's made wrong. They have the clocking off, and you can't get the wheel vertical, so that is what that is. But yeah, what you were seeing last in the end of the video was I was installing this piece, which stops the door from closing on me when I'd open the door. So we have a lot less zip ties in the car now, so that's a win. Hopefully next week, if weather's permitting, I will get the transmission in finally. We'll see. Later. Thank you so much for making it this far into the video. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. If you didn't, hit the dislike button. Everything helps. I also noticed that only about 30% of my viewers are actually subscribed. If you would really, I'd appreciate if you subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications so you don't miss a video. I am putting out 1 to 2 videos a week. It's going to be balanced between the Fallout stuff and the car stuff. Hopefully you like everything I'm doing. If not, tell me. That's what the comment section's for. I do stream on Twitch Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday, although sometimes I get bored and still go live on the other 2 days. 9 p.m. Central, twitch.tv/Rotomon. You can check out all my other stuff at whataboubob.com. That takes you all my socials and all my other links. And then also I have a merch store. Merch is shopprotomon.com. I'm adding stuff to that pretty often. It's either every other week or once a month, but I am adding new stuff to that and taking stuff away. So if you like something, grab it. If not, let me know if you're looking for something specific, like a design or something, and I will try to make it for you. And hope to see you on the next video. Later, everybody.